So I got something new from Glock, as you can see. Let's have a look. Check. It opens this way. So here we have a brand new Glock 18. Glock 18 is basically a Glock 17. Most of you probably know. This is based on a Gen 3. It comes with these 17 round plus magazines, so it means it holds 19 rounds. The special thing here is you have this little selector switch, which goes from single to full auto. So I haven't had time to shoot this, but I'm pretty sure once I release the video I will have material of shooting the Glock 18. Well, a loader, I don't like them actually. A brush. Let's see what else do we got. Oh yeah, this is the usual Glock quality. Amazing. The manual how to operate a Glock 18. Well, what's amazing here is this thingy makes, I guess, 13 or even 1400 rounds per minute. So yes, there's pretty much of recoil. You better hold this shit with both hands. So regarding the Glock 18, Glock was not selling it to private persons until 2018. No idea where that decision came from, but they're willing, at least in Europe, to sell fully automatic Glock 18s to private persons, but they want to know who's gonna be the owner. So yeah, and it took like, not sure, I think it was 4 or even 6 months to get this. But yeah, I'm kind of a Glock guy. I own several Glocks. Most of them are Gen 4 Glock 19s, Glock 26. I have a Gen 5. Yeah, the Glocks are kind of cool. You can carry them all day. Yeah, that's the old spring from the Gen 3. There's pretty much not much of a difference. Only thing is, you can notice it's this little thing here, what the different Glocks or like the normal semi-auto Glocks don't have, and that's what it does. Pretty funny part, and that makes it go bang bang. The parts are not compatible with other Glocks. Glock 18 is specially made to be not compatible with different Glocks. I could bring up some different Glock to compare the parts, but there are plenty of videos already about why the Glock 18 works, how it works, and what the difference are. Well, so that's basically it. Good. Good.